One ball is dropped from the top of a tower, and at the same time another ball is projected upwards at 21 meters per second from the bottom of the tower. They are at the same height 2 seconds later. We want to find the height of the tower. A diagram can help us understand this problem. So we draw the tower and the ground. The height of the tower that we're trying to find is h. One ball is being dropped from the top of the tower. If it's being dropped, its initial speed is 0 meters per second. 2 seconds later, it will have fallen a distance, and we'll call that distance SA, and call this ball ball A. The other ball is projected upwards from the bottom of the tower at 21 meters per second. After 2 seconds, it will have risen to the same height that the other ball has dropped to. We'll call this distance SB and call this ball B. Throughout the motion of both balls, the acceleration due to gravity has been 9.8 meters per second squared. It should be clear that the height h of the tower is going to be equal to SA plus SB. And this is how we're going to do the problem. If we consider ball A and collect information in the usual way, using SUVAT. We've called the distance SA. We know the initial velocity is 0 meters per second. We're not interested in v. The acceleration is 9.8 meters per second squared, and the time is 2 seconds. These four quantities are related by the formula S equals ut plus a half at squared. Substituting in, SA is equal to 0 times 2 is 0. Then we get a half times 9.8, which is 4.9, times 2 squared. Calculating, we get 19.6 meters. Doing the same for object B, collect the information using SUVAT. The distance is SB. The initial speed is 21 meters per second. We're not interested in v. The acceleration is in the opposite direction to the initial velocity. Since the initial velocity is positive, we take the acceleration to be negative, and the time is 2 seconds. These four quantities are related by S equals ut plus a half at squared. So SB is going to be 21 times 2, which is 42, plus a half of minus 9.8 times 2 squared. If we calculate this, we get 22.4 meters. All that remains is to calculate h, which is the sum of SA and SB. So 19.6 add 22.4, which is 42 meters.